Unmanned aerial systems, commonly known as drones, have revolutionized modern warfare by providing unprecedented capabilities in reconnaissance and precision strikes. These advanced technologies have been instrumental in various conflicts around the globe, including the ongoing war in Ukraine, where they have effectively targeted enemy assets such as tanks and warships. The evolution of drones has transformed the concept of aerial combat, introducing a new era characterized by death from above, where operators can engage targets from significant distances without putting themselves in harm's way. Among the most formidable attack drones is the General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper, which remains a cornerstone of the United States military's drone fleet. This unmanned aerial vehicle is designed for versatility, capable of carrying a substantial payload that includes up to 14 Hellfire missiles and 500 pounds of bombs. While it boasts enhanced capabilities compared to its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator, the MQ-9 still relies heavily on human operators for flight control. Its precision and adaptability make it a critical asset in modern combat scenarios. Another noteworthy drone is Iran's Quds Mohajer-6, which serves as an intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance (ISTAR) platform. This drone features advanced surveillance capabilities and can carry precision-guided munitions. With a wingspan of 10 meters and a length of 5.67 meters, the Mohajer-6 is equipped with 2 hardpoints for missiles, enhancing its lethality on the battlefield. First unveiled in 2016, this drone exemplifies Iran's growing prowess in unmanned technology. Turkey has emerged as a significant player in the drone market with its Bayraktar TB2. This medium-altitude, long-endurance male UAV is capable of both remote and autonomous operations. With an operational ceiling of 25,000 feet and a flight endurance of up to 27 hours, the Bayraktar TB2 can loiter over targets before executing precise strikes with its 4 laser-guided bombs or rockets. Its ability to operate without GPS dependency adds to its effectiveness in complex environments, making it a favored choice for various military operations. The AeroVironment Switchblade represents a unique category of drones known as loitering munitions, or suicide drones. These compact devices can be launched by soldiers and are designed for one-time use against enemy positions. The Switchblade comes in 2 variants. The smaller model focuses on anti-personnel attacks, while the larger model is intended for armored vehicles. Their rapid deployment capability and ability to loiter before striking make them valuable assets in modern warfare, allowing for flexible tactical responses. Lastly, Russia's ZAA Lancet showcases the country's advancements in loitering munitions. Developed by ZAA Aero Group, this drone has proven effective in combat situations, particularly during operations in Ukraine. With a maximum range of 40 kilometers and an endurance of approximately 40 minutes, the Lancet can be directed using GPS or visual control methods. Its lightweight design and dual functionality as both a reconnaissance tool and an attack drone highlight its strategic importance on the battlefield.